Hello and welcome to Model Rail video number 5, which is designed to be enjoyed with Model Rail magazine, published monthly. Most modelers are familiar with steam locomotive sheds, but modern traction depots maybe get a little less attention, which is why we've come here to Toton in Nottinghamshire to see the day-to-day operations at English Welsh and Scottish Railway's largest depot and workshops. But first, a flavour of what we've got in store in this programme. It's the usual mix of inspirations, hints, tips, ideas and techniques which you can use on your model railway, whatever the gauge and scale. The Burton malting house where Witchener O-Gauge Group keeps its large layout is undergoing refurbishment, so we took the chance to pay a visit before the builders moved in. Returning to Model Rail's office, we'll take a look at the Total Test Facility, the TTF, to see how the scenic profile is taking shape, using lightweight polystyrene tiles. We'll also be looking at China clay traffic, from the famous clay hoods right through to slurry tank wagons. In the Model Rail October 2000 issue, we gave away a booklet of free building papers. As the next stage of his Savanac baseboard for our office layout, Chris Lee shows how to make simple buildings using card. Our ever popular prototype inspiration sections features the Class 47s, the rebuilt Southern Region Merchant Navy Pacifics, and the distinctive Class 17 Clayton diesel electrics. Nowadays, Toton is best known as the major engineering workshop for the EWS diesel fleet. In the steam era, it was rather more significant for its massive marshalling yards, especially for traffic from the Nottinghamshire coalfield. The steam locomotive depot here was once home to the fleet of LMS articulated Bear Garrett locomotives. They weren't especially successful, they didn't last that long, none survived into preservation, and they're especially rare on film.